Amazing vitamin that will stop cancer cells from growing. We need more of it than doctors say. According to the statistics, the medical experts are predicting that there will be almost 1,700,000 new patients diagnosed with cancer in the United States alone. And the sad part about this is that they are all new cases of cancer patients, not the ones that already exist. The modern medicine and medical researchers still won't say that they've found the cure for cancer. The only thing they claim is that they have come pretty close to the newest discovery about a certain vitamin. The statistics are showing that almost 70% of the American children don't consume enough vitamin D, and almost 75% of the American adults don't get enough of this vitamin in their daily life. Vitamin D is highly important and extremely beneficial for the human body and in preventing many different diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and even diabetes. Consuming this vitamin every day is really important for you and your health. It will provide many health benefits, and it may replace the missing link to the cancer cure. So we can easily say that one of the biggest problems related with vitamin D deficiency is that few people actually know how to tell if they aren't consuming enough of this vitamin. The only way to confirm a vitamin D deficiency is a blood test. But there are many signs that are related with vitamin D deficiency. The most common signs of vitamin D deficiency are bone pain, muscle weakness, severe asthma, especially in small children, cognitive impairment, particularly in older adult, chronic pain, excessive sweating. Sweating that usually appears without any physical activity or high temperature is a common indicator of low vitamin D levels. Depression. Study has found that vitamin D can help with depression and even anxiety. A group of researchers in Norway in 2008 have performed a study on 441 overweight and obese men and women. The researchers have found that those given 20,000 and 40,000 IUs per week of vitamin D supplements had significantly less depression symptoms after 1 year than those in a placebo group. Many studies are trying to prove the vitamin D and its effectiveness against cancer. But this is still in researching process and hasn't been confirmed yet. According to a study conducted by Joan Lapp and Robert Heaney in 2007, which was done on women who were going through menopause at the moment, were given vitamin D to increase their levels. 4 years after the study, these women experienced 77% decrease of all cancer types. As we mentioned before, the scientists still haven't found the relation between vitamin D and cancer. This is maybe because vitamin D is extremely important for other functions in the human body. The most important function of vitamin D is to absorb calcium to promote bone health. This vitamin also helps and improves the function of the cardiovascular system, autoimmune system, and other important functions in the human body. Many medical experts and doctors are saying that the recommended daily intake for this extremely important vitamin has been adjusted. People from the ages 1 to 70 need 600 IU every day, while infants 0 to 12 months need 1000 IU every day. It's highly recommended to try to get that amount from dietary sources such as fatty fish, milk, yogurt, tuna, mushrooms, orange juice, and other foods, and you can spend some time on the sun. And you can also consume oral supplements as well. The best ones are in the form of vitamin D3. You should consume these supplements on daily basis, and you will approximately need 2 to 3 months to establish an adequate level of the nutrient in the body. We all know how complicated and terrible cancer is. Maybe this vitamin is the missing piece of the puzzle. The right amounts of vitamin D are extremely important and beneficial for promoting bone and muscle health for you, and they are also extremely important for reducing the risk of cancer. All you have to do is eat foods that contain high amounts of vitamin D, take vitamin D supplements, or spend more time on the sun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.